What is up, guys? I am here today in Tokyo. Just landed right now after waiting tons and tons of lines from customs to immigrations for the to the JR pass. I've been in 3 different lines already, but we are here now. We are done with the lines. We're about to get on the express train to Shinjuku, where we're staying tonight. So, quick backstory to this trip: we got a really good deal. Me and my buddy Fred, who's behind me over there. We got a really good trip, good deal on Black Friday. Round trip ticket from LAX to Tokyo for $450 on Singapore Airlines, which is crazy cheap. So anyway, we booked this a long time ago, and finally the day is here. We are here. We're going to be doing a lot, eating a lot of food, eating all the foods, and we're just going to explore all over Japan. So sit tight. So we just finally got to Shinjuku Station, where we're staying at for the next 3 nights, and already we're getting all kinds of lost because it's a confusing station. It's too big and Google Maps is a bit slow here, although it's still the best app to use, so for getting around. Alright, we found our hotel finally, but before we check in, I'm really thirsty and a little hungry, so we're going to stop by a convenience store. Alright, so finally got to our hotel, checked in, got rid of our heavy bags and put it down because those things were heavy. We are really jet lagged right now because it was a long flight. I couldn't sleep on it. So anyway, we're finally checked in our hotel. This is probably the fanciest hotel I've been in Japan so far. But to get prepared for tonight, I got stopped by 7-Eleven. Got a good old Pocari Sweat, which is pretty much the Gatorade of Japan. And a little quick snack, some onigiri roll. So I don't look it, but I am really excited to be in Japan, except this rain kind of sucks. So what are we gonna do? Get some ramen, because that's gonna make me feel better. And get some beer while we're at it. And hopefully this rain dies by the time we're done. And hopefully it clears up tomorrow, because tomorrow we're gonna go go-karting.
Musashi Ramen no one got to inside. Okay. Yeah, that's the exact same thing.
So on a rainy day, probably can't hear me, is nothing better than getting some ramen. And we found this place, really big pieces of pork here. It's amazing. Can't film too much in here because it's way too crowded. Probably gotta get out of here soon. But after this, we're gonna check out a couple more bars, and then we're gonna keep showing you around Shinjuku tonight. I think we finally made it after 3 or 4 bars already to Golden Gai area. Not sure, but I see a Jim Beam sign, which sounds about right. Kanpai!
Kanpai! Kanpai!
Smallest bar ever.